Hi kiddos, let's learn how to draw a bird today. First draw a 2 and another 2 next to that. Now draw an inverted C on the top of the 2 2's. That makes the head of the bird. Let's draw V for the beak. Now a circle for the eyes. Now let's join the 2's to the bottom to draw the branch on which the bird is sitting. Yeah, so the branch is almost over. Now which part is left? The tail. Yes, let's finish drawing the tail by adding some shapes to it. What shape is this? We almost drew. How many lines? Can you guess? Yeah, so the tail is over, the feathers is over. Now we are adding some more leaves to the branch. The bird drawing is done. Now let's add some colors to it. What's your favorite color? So I have added ash for the head, orange for the beak. Now let's use some blue for the body and then add some more pink to it to add some interest. Now let's use red for the tail and then purple. Can you guess what is the next color? Blue. And here comes red again. Now, let's add a little more red to the body. Now, what is left to draw? Okay, let's add some colors to the branch. Brown and green for the leaves. Our bird drawing is almost about to get over. So how did you enjoy drawing this bird? Isn't it very easy? Let's add some more lines to the leaves to add the veins. The birdie has turned out beautiful. Wasn't it very easy? I hope all of you enjoy drawing this bird with me. Please do watch the next videos. We will get to learn more. So enjoy drawing. Have fun, kiddos. Bye and take care. See you in the next video.